let's discuss this. Early part of the week, that's when you're going to do more of weight training. Like you said, you have weeks and stuff. You really have something specific. I have quite a few chiefs with this. My team needs me here right now, and I have got to lead them with just a bunch of
gosh.
And hope they do exactly what I said. You guys are very alpha, so this is a good, solid team.
Every day, somebody can hear me.
That's exactly
Get it back, Zoe. It's your bone.
I want.
Go get it back.
Step up and the rest have to. That's why I wanted my blue team to handle this. Do this legitimately as a team, okay? It was four.
Who's the big dog in this one? Huh?
Considering we lost last week, my team has to
Come on, Zoe. Get it, Zoe.
No matter how dedicated and motivated I am in workouts, my body just stops. It throws up, it passes out. I need to push past my sickness, and it's time to step it up. So, let's write some homework down right now.
That's Sugar growling. The little white thing.
Both team and I need to push each other this week because, you know, if one of us goes home, that's it. We're done.
Get it, Zoe. Get your toy back.
So anything could really happen, but at this point, we're just keeping our fingers crossed that the white team will survive.
Right when she gets near it, she growls.
Every day, I need 5 miles. I want you to try. Wind it off. That'll take you an hour. Yeah.
Get it, Zoe.
Danny alone this week.
Get your bone back.
It's part of our jobs to go and help these kids. Good luck with Sunny. At one point or another, Danny and Pam are going to go home. And this will be a good exercise for them to see what it's like to be on their own. Bye.
Zoe.
This season we're tackling childhood obesity, and we've never worked with kids before on The Biggest Loser. So I'm in New Windsor, Maryland, and I'm visiting Bingo. I've got to see how he's doing. Make sure that he's staying away from those video games, finding some sort of vegetable that he likes, and with that foot injury, that he's still
I guess she gave up.
got to keep Bingo motivated right now. Here in Fillmore right now, and I'm about to
Zoe,
She has no
the 65-pound golden retriever, gave up to the little 5-pound Maltipoo. There is something wrong with this picture. Zoe, such a sweet little girl.
I'm about to surprise Bingo.
And then there's Sugar.
No idea I'm here.
Not so nice. Stealing the toy, the bone.
Time for little dogs to take over.